Hello everyone, this is fifth video on cube and cube roots. Dear student, today we will learn some more examples on cube roots and later we will discuss some questions based on square and square root also. So let us start. Suppose you have to find the cube root of negative numbers, then don't be confused. You can simplify this as we can write this here -1 multiply 5832, and we know that the cube of -1 is -1. Therefore you can write here by your own, that is cube of -1. That means we get a triplet of -1. Therefore it would get out of the cube root. Therefore you can write -1 into cube root of 5832. Now you can find by prime factorization the cube root of this one, and your answer will be a negative number. And next question, we have to find the cube root of decimal number. To solve this, it's just simple. You first remove decimal and then find the cube root of both numerator and denominator separately. That means cube root of 2744 by cube root of 1000, and you will get a rational number as your cube root. Third question, if you are given a mixed fraction, then you just simplify first of all within the radical. That means 125 4 into 125 and plus 12, that is cube root of 125 into 4, that is 500 plus 12 by 125, that is equal to cube root of 512 by 125. And as earlier, you distribute their cube root with numerator and denominator and separately find out their cube root. Fourth question, if you are having this type of question, then if they are perfect cubes, then find their cube root separately and then just multiply them. Otherwise, if they are not perfect cubes, then try to assemble them within the same cube root. That means 27 multiply 125, because they have same index, that is cube root. And just find 27 is cube of 3 and 125 is cube of 5. Since index and this power are equal, therefore this 3 would come out of the radical, that means 3. And here also the power of 5 and index are equal, therefore 5 also will come out of the radical. Therefore we got the answer 15. Now we will learn today to changing a radical to lowest form. Suppose we have to change cube root of 864 in lowest form. Lowest form means further they cannot be simplified. These are such type of problems which are not perfect cubes. So first of all, you find the prime factorization and write them within the radical sign. Now try to make triplet, because we have to find cube root. The triplet of 2 we got and a triplet of 3 we got. These two remains unpaired. these two factors remains unpaired. Now what we can do? From triplet of 2, 1, 2 will come out of the radical, and out of this triplet 1, 3 will come out of the radical, and the rest 2 will remain inside the radical sign. That is, we got 2 3 are 6 into cube root of 4, and you just can simply write 6 into cube root of 4. That is called the lowest form. Let us try with one more. Here it is not cube root. You must remember it is square root. That is square root of 200, and we have to write in lowest term. So let us first find the prime factorization, write them within the radical. And as it is square root, therefore we will make a duplet, that means a pair of same factor. So we got a pair of 2 and a pair of 5, and these two remains unpaired. Therefore the factors which got paired, out of these 1 2 will come out, and 1 5 also come out, and the rest these two will remain inside the radical sign. And we got 2 5 are 10 and square root of 2. That is also called the lowest form. Now let us see the difference of -2 whole square. That means square of -2. Read as square of -2, and here we will read -2 square and a negative of 2 square. There are a lot of differences. They are not equal. Let us try to find. That means here the base is -2 and the power is 2. It means -2 is being written 2 times, and we got the answer minus multiply minus is plus 4. Let us try to find it here. Here power is over only 2 only, therefore we can write only 2 times, and we got the answer minus 4. Therefore you can easily see the difference of -2 whole square and -2 square. You can also check here, their answer would be same, but they are different expression. Okay.